I think Intetics is quite specific in terms of building teams. We can build teams that is fully managed by client. We can build teams that is fully independent and is taking care of only customer requirements and create product from scratch. We can provide just specific guys to do consultations, to be part of the team, very different combinations. We are great, especially in distributed teams, because nowadays it is very hard to find required professionals in one location, especially if these are very rare profiles, and it is cheaper, faster, and we can prove that it is more efficient to find this person somewhere else in different location and make distributed team. So in case if customer accepts, we of course go with distributed teams because it is much more faster. But again, customer is always right, so based on requirements we can play with it. We look first for internal candidates. If we have our existing employees that fit requirements, of course they go first. We trust them, we know them, they have good story in our company. But if it is not the case, nothing bad happened here as well. As I mentioned, we have huge recruitment department that takes care of it. They bring us a lot of CVs. We have very specific process to select candidates. We have several rounds of interview. I think if you compare, if someone knows how Google interviews people, we have something similar but not so complicated. Not so many stages, of course, as they have, but we take care about selecting best candidate very carefully. So we look all the details to find the best match, and I think we almost not fail with candidates. That explains, by the way, one of the lowest attrition rates in the market.